Exploring educational inequality, causes, perspectives, and solutions. Introduction. Educational inequality is a substantial societal concern that has far-reaching consequences for numerous students both domestically and internationally. This issue pertains to discrepancies in educational opportunities and results that are influenced by socioeconomic status, ethnicity, geographic location, and other such factors. As a result, students from diverse backgrounds are not provided with the same caliber of education. Problem description. Educational inequality is evident through the discrepancies in resources, academic performance, and instructor proficiency that exist between schools serving affluent and low-income communities. The acquisition of an education, which is often attainable by students from disadvantaged backgrounds, limits their future opportunities and perpetuates a cycle of poverty. The importance of this subject extends beyond the ramifications for individuals and has a profound impact on broader economic and social structures. Sociological perspective. When conflict theory is applied, educational inequality may be interpreted as an expression of more extensive systemic socioeconomic inequalities. According to this viewpoint, the organization of the educational system reinforces class distinctions, thereby serving to maintain established power structures and impede the social mobility of disadvantaged groups. According to conflict theory, the educational system is designed to preserve the advantages of the privileged few, while those positioned at the bottom face systemic barriers that hinder their progress. Strategies for resolution. Following conflict theory, to mitigate educational inequality, systemic modifications must be implemented within the education system to ensure that every student has an equitable opportunity to obtain a high-caliber education. To accomplish a more equitable distribution of educational resources among different schools, this may require the reallocation of resources. The establishment of policies that promote socioeconomic integration in educational institutions, coupled with ensuring that every student has equitable access to experienced and qualified instructors. Research methods. To investigate the genesis and ramifications of educational inequality, a mixed methods research design would be appropriate. By integrating socioeconomic data with quantitative data, this approach would facilitate the identification of trends in academic performance among various demographic cohorts. Furthermore, a comprehensive comprehension of the individual and institutional factors that contribute to disparities in education can be achieved through qualitative research that utilizes interviews with faculty, students, and administrators. A comprehensive understanding of the mechanisms that perpetuate and are impacted by educational inequality in society could be achieved through the integration of these methodologies. Conclusion. By utilizing conflict theory and adopting a mixed methods approach to examine educational inequality, significant insights can be gained into the complex interrelationships that exist between this social issue and more extensive economic and societal frameworks. To effectively devise targeted interventions that not only alleviate the symptoms but also tackle the root causes of educational disparities, policymakers and educational leaders must possess a comprehensive understanding of their intricate and multifaceted attributes. To foster social mobility and cultivate a more equitable society wherein each student has an equal opportunity for success predicated on their abilities rather than their socioeconomic status, it is imperative to enact effective strategies that target educational inequality.